What's up guys, it's me Jimmy. So how to change the shutter speed? Yes, you heard me right. To change the shutter speed, just turn on the camera, and right now as you can see I'm at the aperture mode, which mean in this one I normally can't change the shutter speed. Mostly I can change in the shutter speed. First I want to go to shutter speed. Here I can easily change the shutter speed with the dial, this dial. Can you see 180 of a second? But I want to change in the manual mode. When I go to manual mode, I can use this dial for the aperture. Again, when you are in the shutter speed mode, it will be used for changing shutter speed. When you are in the manual mode, it will use to change the aperture. Let me go to the lowest aperture, and then okay, where it went, yeah, and then this dial, this wheel will be used for changing shutter speed. Again, let me repeat. In shutter speed mode, this one will be used for changing shutter speed. In manual mode, this wheel will be used for changing shutter speed. So yeah, subscribe and bye.